Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. If you're also yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So do well to follow us on Telegram. Now, let's see what will be happening on gold. There's something that good wants to happen, and I want you guys to literally pay attention to it. Now, let's zoom it out on the daily time frame. We clearly can see that this is our major resistance level at the top right, and this is our major support level at the bottom right. So now when you take a look at this, market was literally giving us lower lows and a lower highs, lower lows and a lower highs. All of a sudden we kind of had this huge smash. Now if you take a look at this, we are kind of like a key level or a key zone. If you have to zoom it out, you can see there was kind of like a reaction at this level. There is a reaction at this level. Even when price broke above the same level, we had a pullback and gave us a reaction at this level. Also, there is also a reaction at this level, right? Now, price is at this same level. Definitely, there should be a reaction at this level. So, basically, watch out for it. Will this uptrend continue? There's every possible. I believe the uptrend will continue, but because we are at a key level where there is a reaction, so expect a reaction at that same level. And this reaction could be that price will start selling. Let's see if it will drop it down a bit, probably to a level of 1958. Then once it gets to this level of 1958, then we can now see probably maybe it will continue the uptrend or it will continue to drop. But that is not the problem. We are going to cover more of it. So if you need more of this analysis, all you just have to do is subscribe. If you are not a subscriber, pay attention. Once we release analysis, you'll be able to get it. If you're also yet to follow us on Telegram, make sure you follow us. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.